Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the bloody incredible world of coffee. Now you lot might think you know coffee, a morning pick-me-up, right? Wrong. Coffee is a culinary chameleon, a bloody Swiss Army knife of flavor, and frankly, if you're only using it for your morning cuppa, you're bloody clueless. We're talking coffee-infused savory dishes, decadent desserts, beauty hacks, cleaning solutions, and even gardening tricks. That's right, you heard me. This isn't some sort of culinary joke. We're going to transform your perception of coffee from a simple beverage to a bloody essential ingredient. So buckle up, get your coffee beans ready, and let's get this masterclass started. Let's kick things off in the kitchen, where the real magic happens. Now, I'm not talking about some sad, lukewarm cup of instant muck. I'm talking about using coffee to elevate your dishes to Michelin star quality. Well, almost. Imagine a velvety smooth coffee ice cream, a rich and decadent mocha cake, or a succulent steak rubbed with a smoky coffee and spice blend. And don't even get me started on tiramisu, the king of coffee-infused desserts. Coffee, my friends, is the secret ingredient your taste buds have been craving. You can even use coffee grounds to create a rich, earthy sauce for savory dishes. Trust me, this isn't just some fancy restaurant trickery, it's about bloody time you upped your game. Now let's talk about the classics, the beverages that made coffee famous. We're talking about a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, the kind that wakes you up better than a fire alarm in the morning. But we're not stopping there, are we? We'll be diving into the refreshing world of iced coffee, experimenting with coffee cocktails that'll knock your socks off, and whipping up creamy coffee milkshakes that would make a milkshake lover weep with joy. And for the ultimate indulgence, affogato, a scoop of vanilla ice cream drowned in a shot of hot espresso. It's the perfect marriage of hot and cold, bitter and sweet. Don't tell me you're not tempted. Listen up, you lot. Coffee isn't just a tasty treat, it's bloody good for you too. Packed with antioxidants, coffee is like a superhero for your cells, fighting off those nasty free radicals that age you faster than a day-old croissant. But wait, there's more. Coffee can boost your metabolism and help burn fat, which is music to anyone's ears, especially if you've been indulging in a bit too much butter and cream. And let's not forget the mood-boosting effects of caffeine. Coffee can sharpen your focus, improve your mood, and even make those dreaded Monday mornings a little bit brighter. Who wouldn't want that? Now this is where things get really interesting. Who knew that coffee could be your new secret weapon in the bathroom? That's right, we're talking about coffee beauty hacks that'll make you glow brighter than a freshly polished spoon. Coffee grounds make a fantastic exfoliating scrub, sloughing away dead skin cells to reveal brighter, smoother skin. And for those pesky dark circles under your eyes, a caffeine-infused eye cream can work wonders. You can even use coffee grounds as a hair mask to add shine and stimulate hair growth, so ditch those expensive beauty products and raid your kitchen cupboards instead. Cleaning up with coffee, the ultimate home hack. Think coffee's only good for your insides? Think again! This magic bean is about to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Coffee grounds are a natural deodorizer, perfect for banishing unwanted smells from your fridge or even your gym bag. And that's not all. Create a paste with coffee grounds and water for a non-toxic cleaning scrub that can tackle stubborn stains and grime. Polish your wooden furniture with a coffee filter and watch it shine like new. And if you're battling pesky ants or other insects, sprinkle some coffee grounds around problem areas. It acts as a natural repellent. Who needs harsh chemicals when you've got coffee? Unleash your inner artist crafting with coffee. All right, you creative geniuses, it's your turn. We're about to transform coffee from a kitchen staple into an artist's best friend. Forget paintbrushes and canvases. We're going DIY with coffee. Brew up a strong batch of coffee and use it to stain wood, creating beautiful rustic pieces for your home. Get your hands dirty and make your own coffee-scented candles, filling your home with the warm and inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee. And for the truly adventurous, why not try your hand at coffee painting? The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. From grounds to garden, coffee for greener thumbs. Finally, let's step outside and give our gardens a little coffee boost. That's right, even your plants can benefit from this miracle bean. Coffee grounds are a fantastic natural fertilizer, adding nitrogen and other essential nutrients to your soil. But before you go dumping your leftover coffee grounds on your prize-winning roses, remember that coffee grounds are acidic, making them ideal for acid-loving plants like blueberries, hydrangeas and rhododendrons. And just like in your home, coffee grounds can deter pests in your garden too. Sprinkle them around your plants to keep those pesky slugs and snails at bay. See, coffee really is a gift that keeps on giving. And there you have it. Coffee is truly a multifunctional powerhouse. From the kitchen to the garden, the bathroom to the craft room, there's a way to incorporate coffee into every aspect of your life. Who knew something so simple could be so damn versatile? Whether you're cooking, cleaning or crafting, there's a way to incorporate coffee into your routine and elevate it to a whole new level. So ditch those expensive products and embrace the power of coffee. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little bit of ingenuity and a whole lot of coffee. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tips and tricks. See you next time.